Dear students of class 7, this is your science worksheet number 16 for today, that means for 9th of September. So we were studying about nutrition in plants in our previous worksheets, and I hope that you have read your textbook also, all the lessons which are being covered in the worksheets. So let us know something more. Besides leaves, photosynthesis also takes place in other green parts of the plants, in green stems and green branches. तो बेटा ये तो जब आपको फोटोसिंथेसिस बताया था तब भी बात हुई थी. बट टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डेजर्ट प्लांट्स. रेगिस्तान में होते हैं ना, ऊँट होते हैं और सैंड होती है, ड्राई होता है, रेन नहीं होती है, तो वहाँ पे डिफरेंट टाइप के प्लांट्स होते हैं. दे हैव स्केल्स फॉर स्पाइंस लाइक लीव्स टू रिड्यूस द लॉस ऑफ वाटर बाय ट्रांसपिरेशन. तो इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, ट्रांसपिरेशन क्या है? लॉस ऑफ वाटर. क्योंकि जो रूट्स हैं दे गो ऑन अब्जॉर्बिंग वाटर फॉर द प्लांट एंड प्लांट कांट होल्ड ऑल द वाटर, सो लीव्स आर डिजाइंड टू थ्रो द वाटर आउट बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसपिरेशन. तो you go through your class 6 book. As far as I remember, I told you not to throw or discard any science notebook or book. ठीक है, तो उम्मीद है कि आपने रखा होगा, तो उसमें से ज़रूर पढ़ो ट्रांसपिरेशन, और अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक में से भी यू मस्ट गो थ्रू द लेसन. सो दीज प्लांट्स आर स्पेशल, मतलब दीज प्लांट्स हैव ग्रीन स्टेम्स विच कैरी आउट फोटोसिंथेसिस. Examples are agave, aloe vera and barrel cactus. This is your agave, this is your barrel cactus and this is your aloe vera. Aloe vera आपके घरों में होता है, आपको पता है. तो जो कैक्टस होते हैं, मैं आपको थोड़ा हिंदी में बता रही हूँ. कैक्टस जो प्लांट्स होते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर इन डेजर्ट, देर इज़ नो रेन इन द डेजर्ट्स. इफ़ देर इज़ रेन इट इज़ वेरी स्कार्स. So plants are designed in such a way they have longest roots as compared to the other plants, because they don't get water, so their roots can be found up to 3 kilometers long, because roots go in search of water. So these plants are designed in such a way that leaves are converted into spines and the brown stem is not found anywhere. The stem is green in color, it holds water. ठीक है. सो you know about aloe vera. So these barrel cactus, they are spoon like cactus. They have different names. This is triangular cactus, this is agave. So they all have spines instead of leaves and their stems are green, fat, holding water. ठीक है. So they do the photosynthesis, not the leaves. So always remember, every green part of the plant can do photosynthesis, whether it is leaf, stem, even the green fruit. ठीक है. The leaves other than green also have chlorophyll. Green patches in ponds or stagnant water bodies are generally formed by the growth of organism called algae. They also contain chlorophyll which gives them the green color. तो बेटा एल्गी को हम आम भाषा में काई कह देते हैं. तो काई जो होती है उसको लाइकेन भी बोलते हैं. लाइकेन में सिम्बायोसिस होता है, तो लाइकेन जो होती है तो उसमें, और जो एल्गी होती है, एल्गी इज़ सेपरेट, लाइकेन इज़ मेड अप ऑफ एल्गी एंड फंजाई. तो एल्गी पार्ट इज़ ऑलवेज ग्रीन बिकॉज इट ऑलवेज कंटेन chlorophyll and it always synthesizes food for the plant, for herself. ठीक है. So you find different types of different colored leaves. If it is not green, it is not photosynthesizing food. If it is green, it is photosynthesizing food. So you must go through the lesson. So now the questions are: write the names of desert plants which is seen by you in your neighborhood. So for this I want to say कि even I don't have cactus in my house. So big buildings, big hotels, they to decorate, they use different types of cactus because they have such thin spines that if by mistake you touch them, the spines will go into your flesh of your part of the body which has been touched by cactus, and You can't remove the spines, you have to take out the flesh. So protect yourself from the spines of the cactus. So you need names. So these are the names. Why algae are green in color? Because they contain chlorophyll. Collect different types of leaves and paste them in your notebook. So you can leave this question. So don't do this question. ठीक है, you attempt only question number 1 and 2. ठीक है, and keep yourself protected from the coronavirus by wearing mask, because it is changing its body. The one you have read about the nucleus, so it is changing its properties of the nucleus, and it is causing death. So it enters your body through your nose and mouth. So protect your nose and mouth by wearing mask and maintaining social distance while you are out of the house. Whenever you come back to your home, you must wash your hands properly with soap and water. Then you wash your face, feet and change clothes. Okay beta, keep yourself safe.